Imagine holding the future of filmmaking in the palm of your hand. A device so powerful it renders every other action camera obsolete before they even hit the shelves. The year 2026 has brought us many technological marvels, but nothing quite matches the sheer audacity and engineering brilliance of the DJI Osmo Action 7. This isn't just an incremental update. It is a total reimagining of what an action camera can be, designed specifically for those who refuse to compromise on quality, even in the most extreme conditions on Earth. For years, we've dealt with the limitations of small sensors, struggling in low light and battling the constraints of digital cropping. But DJI has finally broken the glass ceiling. The Osmo Action 7 introduces a revolutionary 1-inch CMOS sensor that doesn't just capture light. It masters it, delivering a dynamic range that was previously reserved only for high-end cinema cameras. When you press record on this beast, you aren't just capturing a moment. You're capturing a masterpiece in 8K resolution at a staggering 120 frames per second. The level of detail is so sharp, so lifelike, that viewers won't just be watching your video. They will feel like they're standing right there next to you, feeling the spray of the ocean or the rush of the mountain wind. But resolution is only half the story. The real magic lies in the brand new AI-driven RockSteady 5.0 stabilization system. This isn't just software smoothing out the bumps. This is a predictive neural network that anticipates movement before it even happens. Whether you're hurtling down a jagged mountain trail on a mountain bike or skydiving through turbulent skies, the footage remains impossibly level, mimicking the look of a professional gimbal setup without the bulk. It's smooth, it's cinematic, and it's completely effortless. This camera understands the environment, adjusting its parameters in real time to ensure that every frame is perfectly exposed, even when transitioning from blinding sunlight into deep, dark shadows. This intelligence extends to the new 360-degree horizon steady technology, which keeps your footage perfectly horizontal regardless of how many times the camera flips or rolls. It's the ultimate tool for creators who push the limits of physics. One of the biggest complaints with action cameras has always been battery life and overheating, but the Osmo Action 7 puts those concerns to rest forever. Featuring the new Polar Core battery technology, this camera can record continuously in 8K for over 2 hours without breaking sweat. Even in the freezing temperatures of the Arctic or the blistering heat of the Sahara, the Action 7 remains cool and responsive. The charging speeds have also seen a massive leap, with a 0 to 80% charge achieved in just 15 minutes, meaning you spend less time tethered to a power outlet and more time capturing the world. The physical design has been refined to perfection as well. The dual OLED touchscreens are now brighter and more responsive than ever, featuring a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making them easily viewable even under direct midday sun. The front screen isn't just for framing. It now offers full touch control over all camera settings, allowing for a seamless vlogging experience that is second to none. For the professional colorists and high-end creators, the Action 7 introduces 12-bit D-Log M and HLG recording, providing over 1 billion colors and an incredible amount of flexibility in post-production. The color science has been tuned to deliver skin tones that are natural and vibrant, while the shadows retain a level of detail that is frankly unheard of in this form factor. But perhaps the most leaked and anticipated feature is the integration of satellite connectivity for real-time live streaming from anywhere on the planet. Imagine being in the middle of a remote wilderness, miles away from any cell tower, and still being able to broadcast your adventure in high definition to your audience. This is the game changer that changes the landscape of content creation forever. Furthermore, the audio capabilities have received a massive overhaul. With a built-in 4-mic array that uses AI to suppress wind noise and isolate the human voice, you might find yourself leaving your external microphones at home. The audio is crisp, directional, and deep, providing an immersive soundscape that matches the incredible visuals. The magnetic mounting system, which we all grew to love in previous versions, has been reinforced with a new Titan lock mechanism, ensuring that no matter how violent the impact, your camera stays exactly where you put it. This camera is built like a tank, waterproof up to 30 meters without a case, and drop-proof from heights that would shatter any smartphone. It is a tool built for the relentless, for those who seek the edge of the world and want to bring a piece of it back home.